for lack of a better word, changes have been crazy. When you see the housing levy that was just imposed, mostly to the people who are employed, it's a bit crazy because you're wondering, for one of the questions that I would ask myself is like, I live in my own house, why would I pay housing levy again? Mm-hmm. Am I sure if I'll get that house? Do I even need it as of the moment? Because I already own a house, so why would I pay another housing levy? Mm-hmm. But at the same time, we want to give them time, and we feel 1 year is not enough for me to judge them. We want to still have some hope in them. Mm-hmm. We hope that they will do the best and they will not disappoint us. Coming in the next 5 years, in the next 2 years actually, come in the next 1 year, they should do something better. Mm-hmm. For the housing levy, not so good about it. About the health, we heard of something else that is supposed to come up apart from NHIF. Let's see how it goes. I'm not so